If you've ever opened your computer and wondered, how did Evernote get on my computer? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons Evernote appears on your device, how to check whether you installed it yourself, and how to remove it if you don't want it there. This is a quick and simple troubleshooting guide for both Windows and Mac, so let's get into it. First, the most important thing to understand is that Evernote usually doesn't appear out of nowhere. In many cases, it was downloaded directly from the Evernote website, installed as part of another app, or added by someone who uses the same computer. So before you panic, we're going to check exactly where it came from. Start by checking your browser download history. If you use Chrome or Edge on Windows, press Ctrl+J. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Option and L in your browser. That will open your recent downloads. Now look for anything that says Evernote, evernote.exe or evernote.dmg. If you see it there, that means the installer was downloaded on your computer. You can usually tell from the file name and the date it was downloaded. This is the fastest way to figure out whether Evernote came from the official download process. If you want to see where it came from, search for the Evernote download page in your browser history too. A lot of people install it while setting up notes, syncing devices, or trying a productivity app and then forget about it later. So if the download history shows it, that's your answer. Next, on Windows, check your recently installed apps. Open Settings, then go to Apps and then Installed Apps. Once you're there, sort the list by date installed. This helps you spot Evernote and also see whether it was installed around the same time as another program. That matters because some free apps bundle extra software during installation and users click through without noticing. If Evernote showed up at the same time as something else, that may explain how it got there. If you're using a Mac, open Finder, then go to Applications. You can sort your applications by date modified to see when Evernote was added. That won't always tell you the exact source, but it can help you figure out whether it was recently installed or already on the device for a while. If the date matches a time you installed another app or migrated to a new Mac, that's a useful clue. Now, if you didn't intentionally install Evernote, the next step is simple: uninstall it. On Windows, go back to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Evernote in the list, click the three dots and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove it from your computer. On Mac, open the Applications folder, find the Evernote icon, and drag it to the trash. Then empty the trash if you want it fully removed. In some cases, you may also want to check for leftover files, but for most users, removing the app from Applications is enough to get started. If you're trying to confirm whether Evernote was installed by another person on the computer, think about whether the device is shared. Family members, co-workers, or previous users may have installed it for notes, school, work, or syncing across devices. So if the download history doesn't show anything on your account, but the app is present, that's another clue it may have been added by someone else. And if you're still not sure, the safest approach is to leave the app alone until you've confirmed it's not needed. But if you don't use it and didn't mean to install it, removing it is perfectly fine. So to recap, check your download history, review recent installs on Windows or Mac, and uninstall Evernote if it wasn't meant to be there. Those 3 steps usually solve the mystery pretty fast. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.